I am back in the great outdoors, and today I want to talk about a client of mine who had renounced her Jamaican citizenship. When people have been commenting on my videos to say your American passport or your foreign passport shows that you're a Jamaican citizen, so Jamaica should recognize it, I'm scratching my head, because in one of my videos, my first one that caused the uproar, I said, how would they know you're a Jamaican citizen? The background is noisy. So when I said, how would Jamaica know you're a Jamaican citizen? Forget about the fact that Jamaica says enter on your Jamaican passport to be recognized as a citizen. If you renounce your Jamaican citizenship, your foreign passport will still say born in Jamaica. Now, let me just highlight a client of mine who was living in Curacao. She applied for Dutch citizenship. She was granted citizenship on the condition that she would renounce her Jamaican citizenship. Because, as she said, she was not married to a Dutch citizen when she tried to get her citizenship. I think she was married to a resident. And so they would give her the citizenship, but she had to renounce her current citizenship. She did not renounce her Jamaican citizenship. When she went back to renew her Dutch passport in Manhattan, they told her that she was no longer able to get the citizenship back because she did not give up the Jamaican citizenship. And so she went to the Jamaican consulate in Manhattan and signed the forms to renounce her Jamaican citizenship. And I say this again, you cannot give up your Jamaican citizenship unless you sign the paperwork and pay the fee. So all these questions I'm getting, am I still a citizen? My passport expired 30 years ago. Yes, you are still a citizen until you fill out the form and pay the fee. Well, she renounced her Jamaican citizenship. She brought them the paperwork, and then she got her Dutch passport renewed. But certain circumstances caused her to now want back her Jamaican citizenship, because I think she wants to now retire in Jamaica. So for all the persons who did not understand when I said, how would she know? The reason you did not understand that message is because you can't conceptualize the fact that somebody can renounce their Jamaican citizenship. And you didn't understand that even if you renounce, it is still in your passport. But I had made several videos talking about renouncing Jamaican citizenship as a thing. Anyway, I am here to give you that information. I am Gail of 876 Documents. If you need help with a Jamaican passport or you need help with citizenship, give us a call. We can assist you. I don't know if you can hear all those crickets, but that is the sound of the sun setting in Connecticut. All right, thanks for watching.